This is quite scary. This ash behind me is making some very strange noises. Almost like it's about to split. What do you think? Talk to me, Ash. Oh, I can see it. I can see it. It's moving. So this is it in long shot. How long do we think that's going to be there? Do you think that'll last the autumn or the winter? We'll have to keep track on that, because if it falls, it's going right over my backwards walking, sled pulling path. I don't think that's lasting the autumn. I mean, obviously there's leaves on the trees still, which is making it move a lot more, but that's coming down. I'll keep you posted.